Good morning, students. Today I'm gonna discuss the JEE Mains 2026 Max Shift 1 paper. We'll see the questions one by one very fast. Cosecant 10 degree minus root 3 secant degree value ಎಷ್ಟು అని ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So how we can solve this thing? You see here, cosecant 10 equal to 1 by sin 10 degree minus root 3 secant 10 1 by cos 10 degree. So then take the LCM. So we get sin 10 into cos 10. So cos 10 will go here. So cos 10 degree minus root 3 sin 10 degree. Okay. So now this thing I want to convert into single function. How we can convert? So a cos theta minus b sin theta form ಇದೆ. So multiply it with root of a square plus b square. So multiply with root of a square b square, root of 1 square plus root of 3 square. How much will get? Root 4, 2 will get. So multiply it with 2. 2 into 1 by 2 cos 10 minus root 3 by 2 into sin 10 divided by sin 10 into cos 10. Okay. So now this function I am converting into single function. This single function ಹೇಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಇದು sin theta cos theta 2 sin theta cos theta ಫಾರ್ಮ್ sin ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದು sin ನಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ sin theta 1 by 2 how much sin 30 cos 10 minus sin a cos b minus cos a sin cos 30 sin 10. Can I convert like this? Yes. Why I am converting in form of sin? Because in denominator also we can convert in terms of sin theta. How we can convert here? Multiply it with 2. So 2 into sin 10 cos 10 divided by 2. So this 2 will go here and multiply with 4. Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Sin of a minus b. 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta. So we get here 4 sin 20 divided by sin 20 cancel. What is the value you got? 4 we got, because 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, sin a minus b. Finally we got the answer 4. Option C is the correct answer for this question. So this simple question they given easy solve ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So next second question, ಈ question ನೋಡಿ. A equal to alpha 2 1 2, b equal to 1 1 beta 1. They are asking the value of determinant of adjoint of a cube minus b cube ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So a square minus 4a plus 2a equals 0. This is what they given, characteristic equation they given. What are they given? Characteristic equation. So this also they given, characteristic equation they given. Characteristic equation they given. So now we have to find out the adjoint of a cube minus b cube. How we can get? So in this character equation, this indicates the trace of a and this value indicates the determinant of a. If you take the determinant of a minus lambda equal 0, this is the characteristic equation. From here we'll get these values, we'll get the lambda values. From this we'll get the characteristic equation in the form of the determinant, in the form of the matrix. So next here also this 2 indicates what? Trace of b, and this 1 is indicates what? Determinant of b. So now we got the trace of a as a 4. So trace of a as a 4 and determinant of a equal to 2. So 2 equations we got, we'll solve, we'll get the alpha value. Okay. 2 equations, trace of a is to alpha plus 2 equal to 4, alpha equal to 4 minus 2. Determinant of a 2 andre. Similarly we get the alpha value, 1 is enough for here. Next one, beta b. So beta, if you want here trace of b 1 plus 1 2 satisfied, but no, we want beta. So now we'll go for the determinant of beta, determinant of b, sorry, determinant of b. What's the determinant of b? 1. So what determinant of b? 1 into 1 1 minus beta equal to 1 1 cancel. We got the beta equal to 0. So alpha we got, beta we got. Now we have the a and b matrices. Find out the adjoint of a cube minus b cube form. So for that we need to find out the matrix of a cube minus b cube. Find out the a cube. So first a square equal to alpha replace here with 2, beta you replace with here 0. What you get here? 2 2 1 2 2 2 1 2 into 2 2 1 2. So what we get here? A square value 2 2 jar 4, 2 jar 2 1 jar 2, 4 plus 2 6, 2 2 jar 4, 2 2 jar 4 8, 1 2 jar 2, 2 1 jar 2 4, 1 2 jar 2, 2 2 jar 4, 4 to 6. So we got a square. So now a cube value we want a square into a. So 6846 into 2212 again a ಜೊತೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ a cube 6 2 jar 12, 8 jar 20, 6 2 jar 12, 8 2 jar 16, 16 plus 12 28, 4 2 jar 8, 6 14, 4 2 jar 8 plus 12 20. So we got a cube value as a 20 28 14 20. Next we go for the b cube value. So b cube value if you want, first to find out the b square. So b square equal to b into b. So what's the b into b? 1101 1101. So what you get from here? 1 into 1. Okay. 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 0, 1. 1 into 1, 1 into 1, 2. 0 into 1, 1 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 1 into 1, 1 we got. So this is a b square. Next to b cube value. B square into b. So 1 2 0 1 into 1 1 0 1. If you multiply 1 1 jar 2 0 1, 1 1 jar 2 1 3, 0 1 jar 0 1 0 0, 0 1 jar 1 1 jar 1. So how to do fastly this one? So now we got a cube and b cube. Find out the matrix of a cube minus b cube. So a cube minus b cube equal to 20 28 14 20 minus 1301. Cube minus b cube, 20 minus 1 19, 28 minus 3 25, 14 minus 0 14, 20 minus 1 19. So now we need to calculate the determinant of adjoint of a cube minus b cube. We know that determinant of adjoint of a equal to determinant of a whole power n minus 1. N is how much? 2. 2 minus 1. We have to find the determinant of a cube minus b cube whole power 1. So what is the determinant of a cube minus b cube? 19 into 19 minus 25 into 40. 19 square is 361 minus 24 is 350. 61 minus 50, 11. Answer is 11 for this question. We know that determinant of adjoint of a equal to determinant of a whole power n minus 1. N is the order 2. 2 minus 1, we got 11 answer. That's how easily we can get the answer for this question. Next. So now see this question. Modulus of x minus 1 whole square minus 5 into modulus of x minus 1 plus 6 equals 0. Find the sum of the roots of this equation. We will find out all roots of this equation. Let us assume modulus of x minus 1 is a t. So then we get t square minus 5t plus 6 equal to 0. Find out the root. So 3 2 are 6 3. So minus 3t minus 2t plus 6 equal to 0. So t of t minus 3 minus 2 into t minus 3 equal to 0. So t minus 2 into t minus 3 equal to 0. We got t equal to 2 or t equal to 3. So what is the t equal to 2? We already know that t equal to modulus of x minus 1. That is equal to, find out x minus 1 equal to plus or minus 2. Modulus of x equal plus or minus x minus 1 equal to 2 or x minus 1 equal to minus 2. From here x equal to 3, x equal minus 2 plus 1, we got minus 1. So we got x equal 3 minus 1. Next one we can see t equal to 3. So t equal to 3 means modulus of x minus 1 equal to 3, x minus 1 equal to plus or minus 3. We have two roots now, x minus 1 equal to 3 or x minus 1 equal to minus 3. X equal to 3 plus 1, we got x equal to 4, and x equal to minus 3 plus 1, we got x equal to minus 2. So now we got all these four roots. They are asking the sum. So sum of all these roots, 3 minus 1 plus 4 minus 2, 4 3 7 minus 3, we got 4. So answer is the 4 for this question. So sum of all the roots of this equation is 4. This is how we can solve within 1.5 minutes this question. So like this simple question. Next we go for the next question. So see the next question. Consider a set S equal to a comma b comma c, the number of reflexive as well as symmetric relations from x to x scale. So what is the formula for this? So number of relations as a symmetric and as well as reflexive. For the formula we are having 2 power n square minus n by 2. Apply that formula. 2 power 4 square minus 4 by 2. We are getting 16 minus 4, 12 by 2. We got 2 power 6. What's the 2 power 6 value? 64. We easily got the answer as 64 by just by applying the formula. We can apply the method of solving also, we can get the answer, but this is the very easiest method. We can do it. So next, find the value of integral 0 to pi by 2 modulus of sin x plus sin 2x plus sin 3x dx equal to. So ಇದು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ನಾವು ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹೇಗೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ we have to see in this interval this full equation either positive or negative ಅನ್ನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. We'll check. So let us take this full equation now. Sin x plus sin 2x plus sin 3x value. Okay, if we take the sin c plus sin d formula, what you get here? 2 sin of c plus d by 2 cos of c minus d by 2 plus sin 2x. So from here we got sin 4x 2x plus 2x by 2 cos x plus sin 2x. We can take the sin 2x common. If we take the sin 2x common, we got 2 cos x plus 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 0 to pi by 2 x 0 to pi by 2 ನಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2x 0 to pi ನಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ. 2x 0 to pi ನಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ so sin is a positive from 0 to pi because 0 to pi means first cohorent and second cohorent. First and second cohorent sin 2x is sin is positive because x lies from 0 to pi by 2, 2x lies from 0 to pi. So in first and second cohorent sin positive is positive. Now 1 plus 2 cos x. So x now 0 to pi by 2, first cohorent is x is positive, positive in plus positive, this total will become positive. From here we can conclude that this full value positive, this full value positive means this also always positive we got. From here what we can do, we can remove the modulus because if this full thing is positive, modulus of positive, again positive value we get, we can write here integral 0 to pi by 2 modulus we can remove now because this full thing is positive, sin 2x plus sin 3x dx. So now we can do the integration. Integral sin x minus cos x, integral sin 2x minus cos 2x by 2, integral sin 3x minus cos 3x by 3. From where to where we got? From 0 to pi by 2. Now substitute the upper limit. So minus cos pi by 2 minus cos 2 into pi by 2, cos pi by 2 minus cos 3 into pi by 2 by 3 minus of substitute 0 minus cos 0 minus cos 0 by 2 minus cos 0 by 3 we got. So now we know that already this is 0. Cos pi minus 1 minus into minus plus 1 by 2 3 pi by 2. Cos 270, cos 360 minus 90, cos 90 we got again, this is 0. So this is again 0 minus of minus cos 0 minus 1 minus 1 by 2 minus cos 0 minus 1 by 3 we got it. So finally if you do 1 by 2 minus into minus plus 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 we got 1 by 2 1 by 2 1 1 plus 1 2. So 2 plus 1 by 3 we got answer 3 2 just 6 1 7 7 by 3 is the answer for this question. So we can see that which option is correct. 7 by 3 B option is the correct for this question. So that's how we can solve the question very easily. You have to know how to find out the trigonometric values very fastly. Let's go to the next. See the next question. I think this is from the complex number. If x square plus x plus 1 equals 0, then find this value. So what are the roots for this equation? If we take x equal to omega or omega square, we already know that cube roots of unity is the roots for this equation. Then apply this omega square here. So what we get in first equation? You take now this thing, we can consider triplet. So this 3 1 and 1 2 3 3 2 6 1 2 3 3 2 6 6 2 9. So like this, how many up to 24 you can get? So 1 2 3 4 to 6 and 7 to 9. Like this we can get under 21 to 24 and finally 25 terms with it. So this 3 3 3 will have the similarities. Why? You see, if we substitute here x value omega, so omega plus 1 by omega, we get omega plus 1 by omega whole power 4 plus omega square plus 1 by omega square whole power 4 plus omega cube plus 1 by omega cube whole power 4, omega plus 1 by omega square. So omega plus omega square whole power 4, omega square 1 by omega square omega plus 1 whole power 4, omega cube is 1. So we got omega plus omega square minus 1 whole power 4 minus 1 whole power 4 plus 2 power 4. We got answer 1 16 18 we got the answer. So for triplet 18, similarly this will repeat again because of 4 x, because again if we take omega power 4 plus 1 by omega power 4 is omega, 1 by omega power 4 is again 1 by omega, same thing we get again, it will repeat again and again. So we'll get how many like this is that 3 8 are 24 and 8 times it is repeating and value will become, so 18 into 8 plus last 1 is there. So what is this one? So omega power 25, omega power 24 into omega power 24 1, omega power 24 1 because omega power cubes are 1. So omega plus 1 by omega again minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1 you get. So 18 8 how much? So we have 144 plus 1. What is the value of this answer? 145 is this answer. That's how we can easily solve this thing, because this thing will repeat. Omega power 4 plus 1 by omega power 4, omega plus 1 omega power 5 plus 1 by omega power 5, omega 5, omega cube into omega square, omega cube again 1 by omega 5, omega cube into omega square, omega cube again 1 omega square plus 1 by omega square. So again it will repeat all these three things. So first you find out these three values, then repeat that 8 times, then final one is last one find out separately, that is a one value 144 plus 1, we got the answer 145. That's how easily we can get the answer for this. Hello students, see the next question. Y equal to y of x and this given differential equation, then y of 0 equal to 1 and they are asking the value of the then find value of the y of 1. So how we can find out this y of 1? To get the y of 1 we have to know the y of x well. ಈ differential equation మనం ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 1 plus x square into dy equal to minus of 1 minus tan inverse of x into dx. ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ so dy by dx into 1 plus x square equal to minus tan inverse of x minus 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ x ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ, y ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ, ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ x ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, y ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ, ಅದು ಈಗ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, y ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ dy ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, x ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ tan inverse of x minus 1 divided by 1 plus x square. So wherever x terms are there, operator ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ, so dx dy separate ಇದೆ. Now I am doing the variables approval. I am separating the variables, y variables one side, x variables another side. Now can I do the integration easily? Integral dy equal to y. So now this I have to integrate. So tan inverse of x minus 1. So let us assume tan inverse of x minus 1 as a t. So if you assume this one, we get so differentiation of this we get dy dx of tan inverse of x 1 by 1 plus x square minus 0 equal to dt by dx. From here we get so dx by 1 plus x square equal to dt. So now I change the variables. So from here we get it integral dy equal to y, integral tan inverse of x minus 1 t dx by 1 plus x square, it became dt. So we got y equal to integral t dt, we got t square by 2 plus c. So now substitute t value, tan inverse of x minus 1 whole square by 2 plus c. To get the y of 1 value, we need to know the c value. How we can get from this condition? Substitute x equal 0, y equal 1, we got it as a y equal to 1, x 0, tan inverse of 0, 0, 0 minus 1 whole square by 2 plus c, c equal to 1 minus 1 by 2, we got c value as a 1 by 2. So we got y of x value as a tan inverse of y of x equal tan inverse of x minus 1 whole square by 2 plus c value 1 by 2. Now substitute y of 1 by 2, then substitute x equal to 1, so y of 1 equal to tan inverse of 1 pi by 4 minus 1 pi by 4 minus 1 whole square by 2 plus 1 by 2, we get it as a square, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, we got minus pi by 2 divided by 2 plus 1 by 2. From here y square by 16 by 2, pi square by 32, pi by 2 by 2 minus pi by 4, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, we get 1. So we got the answer as a pi square by 32 minus pi by 4 plus 1, we get the answer as a option B. So option B, we can get the answer for this question. So note down this question. Next we can go for next. See the question, foci of the ellipse coincides with the hyperbola, eccentricity of the hyperbola is 5, find the length of the lattice segment of the hyperbola. Given ellipse nali a1, a square 36, a1 6, b square 4, 16, b1 equal 4, eccentricity of the hyperbola e2 equal 5, which means here ellipse nali ellipse foci coinciding with the hyperbola foci. Andre ellipse foci, let us assume a1 e1 comma 0, hyperellipse foci can take a2 e2 comma 0. These two are coinciding and these two are same, which means a1 e1 equal to a2 e2. So if you want length of the lattice sectum of hyperbola, so what is the formula? So length of lattice sectum of hyperbola, lattice sectum equal to 2 into b2 square by a2. Andre a2 b2 value gottagbeku. So ಈಗ a1 b1 e1 e2 ಇಂದ a2 b2 find ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. How we can find out now? So I have to find out the first a2. a2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ a1 ಗೊತ್ತು, a1 ಎಷ್ಟು 6, but e1 ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. So a2 ಗೊತ್ತು, e2 ಎಷ್ಟು, e2 5 ಗೊತ್ತು. So e1 ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, e1 how we can find out now? e1 from here, so b1 square equal to a1 square into 1 minus e1 square, 4 square 16, 36 into 1 minus e square, 4 4 jar 4 9 jar, so 4 by 9 equal to 1 minus e1 square, so e1 square equal to 1 minus 4 by 9, we got 5 by 9, e1 equal to root 5 by 3 we got. Okay, so from here e1 equal to root 5 by 3, substitute here, so root 5 by 3, 1 jar 2 jar 2 root 5 by 5 equal to a2. So what is the a2 value? We got 2 by root 5 by 5, root 5 we got. So 2 by root 5 we got. So when you get the a2 value and you know the e2 value, so what is the e2 value? e2 value equal to 5. From a to e2 we can get the b2. So how can get the b2? So we know that for the hyperbola b2 square equal to a2 square into e square minus 1, so e2 square minus 1. So b2 ನೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬೇಕು, b2 square equal a2 square 4 by 5, e2 square is almost 25 minus 1 24, so b2 square equal to 4 into 24 by 5. So substitute this b2 square value there, so we can get 2 into b2 square 4 into 24 by 5 by a2. So a2 value ಎಷ್ಟು ನಮಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಗೊತ್ತು, 2 by root 5. So this ನೀವು 2 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 4 24 96 by 5 by root 5 by 1. So we get here 96 by root 5 by 5 root 5 we got. So this is the length of the lattice rectum, we got 96 by root 5 value. So we can put the answer here, length of the lattice rectum is 96 by root. Next question, if AIs are in GP and A1 plus A3 plus A5 equal 813 by 7, A2 A3 A4 equal 64, find the value of A3 plus A5 plus A7. So we can see this thing, so let's write down the given data, A1 plus A3 plus A5 equal to 813 by 7 comma A2 A3 A4 equal to 64, and they are asking us to find out the A3 plus A5 plus A7. So how we can get this? So if you write down this all the equation in the general form, we know that A1 is A, A3 equal AR square, A5 is AR power 4, 813 by 7, this one A2 AR, A3 AR square, A power 4 AR cube equal to 64. From here A3 value AR square plus AR square plus AR power 4 plus AR power 6. If we take the AR square common, what we get here? 1 plus R square plus R power 4 we got. So to get this value, we need to know the A and R values both. How we can get from these two equations? Two variables we need to solve. So two equations, two variables, we can solve this question. Suppose now you take here A common, you get 1 plus R square plus R power 4 equal to 813 by 7. So 1 plus R square plus R power 4 equal to 813 by 7. So from here 1 plus R square plus R power 4 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 813 by 7 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Substitute here. So A into R square 1 plus 813 by 7 here we got. So A cancel. So we need to get the value of R1 square into 813 by 7. So how we can get the R square value? We can see here If you substitute here, this one a into a cube r power 1, 2, 3, r power 6 equal to 64. This thing I can add a r square whole cube equal to 64. That is a 4 cube. From here, a r square equal to 4 we got. So now a r square ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 by a. From here, try to get the a value. Substitute r square value here, a into 1 plus r square, 4 by r power 4 r square whole square, 4 by a whole square. That is equal to 813 by 7. From here, a into 1 plus 4 by a plus 16 by a square equal to 813 by 7. Take the LCM a square. We got a into a square plus 4a plus 16 equal to 813 by 7. So cross multiply a cancel. Cross multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So you get 7a square, 7 4s are 28a plus 16 7s are 112 equal to 813a. From here, straight to solve the a value. 7a square plus 28 minus 813a. So we got minus 785a plus 112 equals 0. So 112 into 7 multiply, we got 784. 784 product sum is 785. You can get 7a square minus 784a minus a plus 112 equal to 0. 7a common, a minus 112 minus 1 common, a minus 112. We got the two equations, 7a minus 1 into a minus 112 equal 0. Either a equal 1 by 7 or a equal 112. If you take the a 112, product will become very big value. So that's why we cannot take here a equal 1 by 7 I take. And substitute now a equal to 1 by 7. R square how much will get? 4 by a. R square equal to 4 by a 1 by 7. We got 4 7 28. So r square equal to 28. Substitute here. R square equal to 28 into 813 by 7. 7 1 7 4 jar. 813 into 4. We got 4 3 jar 12. 5 4 8 jar 32. Answer equal to 3252. So option B is the correct answer for this question. So two equations, two variables. Find out the r comma a values and get the answer. Then we can get the answer easily. Hello guys, now we'll see the one of the last question. These are the memory based question. One of the last question we'll see now. So how to solve this question? Now we'll split this thing into two parts. So we'll get integral. This part is split. We'll get pi by 1 minus sine of modulus of x plus pi by 6 dx plus integral 4x power 11 by 1 minus sine of modulus of x plus pi by 6 dx. So now we know that minus pi by 6 to pi by 6 and minus pi by 6 to pi by 6. So this is minus a to a, integral minus a to a, if odd function is there. So this is the odd function, f of minus x equal minus f of x, because odd number is there, f of minus x will become minus f of x, and then this value will become 0. We already know that property of definite integral. Now we have to solve this equation only. From here we can see, so this is the even function, because modulus of x, if you substitute, f of minus x will become plus x, this even function. Integral minus a to a, integral minus a to a, f of x dx will become 2 times of integral 0 to f of x dx, when f of x is even. Substitute that 2 integral 0 to pi by 6, pi by 1 minus sine of 0 to pi by 6, it is a positive. So modulus of x will become plus x and pi by 6. Now we have to solve this thing. Let us assume x plus pi by 6 as the t, so that we can change our limits also. Suppose x substitute 0 here, t will become pi by 6. X substitute here pi by 6 plus pi by 6 pi by 3. So now dx and x plus pi by 6 the dx will become dt. If you differentiate both, the dx will become dt. So pi into dx will be dt. 1 minus sine of x plus pi by 6 is t. So now try to solve this question. So 2 pi we get here. 2 pi integral 1 by 1 minus sine t. How we can solve? Multiply and divide with 1 plus sine t. 1 by, rationalize the denominator, we can get easily. So 1 plus sine t by 1 minus sine t into 1 plus sine t into dt from 0 to pi by 3. From here we get 2 pi integral 0 to pi by 3, 1 plus sine t, 1 plus sine t by a minus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So 1 minus sine square t cos t, we got 0 to pi by 3. So 1 plus sine t cos square t dt. So 2 pi integral, so this is the 1 by cos square t secant square t, sin t by cos square t, sin t by cos t tan t into 1 by cos t secant t. So I split it into two parts into dt from 0 to pi by 3. So from here we get 2 pi integral secant square t equal to tan t plus integral secant t tan t plus secant t from where to where? 0 to pi by 3. Substitute upper limit and lower limit. Tan 60 root 3 secant 62 minus minus tan 0 yes 0 to okay pi by 6 to pi by 3, sorry, pi by 6 to pi by 3, no, sorry. So this is the pi by 6 to pi by 3, it's not 0, pi by 6 to pi by 3, pi by 6 to pi by 3. Substitute of pi by 6 here. So if we substitute the pi by 6, tan pi by 6 is how much? Tan 31 by root 3 secant 30 cos 30 equal to root 3 by 2 secant 30 2 by root 3. So now try to solve this equation. 2 by root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 2 minus 2 by root 3. What we get? 2 by root 3 into root 3. 3 minus 1, 2 by root 3. 2 minus 2 by root 3, 2 root 3. So 2 plus 2 minus 2 by root 3. So 2 by root 3, 2 by root 3 cancel. 2 into 2 pi, we got answer 4 pi. Answer for this question is 4 pi is the answer for this question. Okay, so this is how we can solve the questions very easily, but you have to know the practice. We cannot get the ideas very easily. Whenever we get 1 by 1 minus sin t, 1 minus sin x, or 1 by 1 plus cos x, or 1 by 1 minus sin x, or 1 by 1 plus sin x, or 1 by 1 plus cos x, do the rationalization. When you do the rationalization, we can solve the integration function easily. So integral 1 by 1 minus sin x, or integral 1 by 1 plus sin x, or integral 1 by 1 minus cos x, or integral 1 by 1 plus cos x. For all these things, rationalize, then split the two terms and integrate the functions, we can get the answer easily. So this all forms very important. Rationalize the denominator and multiply and simplify it and split into two terms, then we can get the answer like this. 1 minus sin t and multiplied 1 plus sin t, a minus b into a plus b square minus b square, 1 minus sin square t cos t, 1 by cos square t secant square t, sin t by cos square t, sin t by cos square t, cos t, sin t by cos t tan t, 1 by cos t secant t tan t integral secant t, integral secant square t tan t, then substitute upper limit or lower limit and get the answer very easily.